offensive here. They don't have a call down, but they've got the tether move speed. Scouted out by Ake, an immediate response here. Nature's Prophet is going to come in, gets the sprout up, trapping out Ake, who turns, chunks out of Veil, does very little new damage to come with an EVM. Blinking forward, going up the Hex on Limb, goes for the 2 arrows, stun, only gets the 1. They will bring down the Nature's Prophet, and then we'll see Hans get forced to relocate Limp away, while in the top lane, they are again killing theirs.
Somebody called Peter, Z-Freak with this run of ATOS is like, hey, I don't need the Desolated Prophet, we can just do this with the two
back
of us.
to bottom, Hanske with the big jukes. Alliance tried to find him as he relocated in, but he's able to dodge away. The clutch Glimmer Cape.
Oh no, he revealed himself.
And he drops the one now. Oh, this is awkward. Leave me alone. Mercy, please.
Glimmer in 2.
Stun, controlled. Do they have the Hex this time? It looks like they do. Alliance will get the kill, but it came at the cost of a Bear Death top, a tier 3 as well. Not a total loss for Complexity.
If there's ever someone who wants to advocate for not using auto attack,